Good morning, folks. Joanne and I are at the KOA campground that Joanne's working at. And I'd like to show you their laundry room. It's a nice, clean little laundry room. They got 4 commercial washers here, 4 dryers. Nice little table and a couple of chairs to sit while you're waiting. Magazine rack. Let me show you outside here for a second. Who wouldn't want a view like that while you're camping? Anyway, this is the KOA in Cannonville, Utah, down by Bryce Canyon. Real nice, clean campground. Can't say enough good about it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.